Hello, today on this video, this is part 2 of how to make a sword shop. So we finished the stats. Now we are going to go to the money sword. At this money sword, we are going to make, we're going to say, wait, money sword. Alright, in the sword, first we're going to do the first sword. So this is the sword, the name of the sword, swords, with the S at the, I know it's probably bad grammar. Well, yes, sure, let's go, start with. So, if player sword value, wait, hang on, let me check real quick. Sword's value, let me check. Sword stats. Oh, sword stats. Sword stats. Sword stats. If player sword stats swords value equals false, then it is swords over here. So if they don't own the item named swords, which is over at the if they don't have it, then we're going to check. So let's see how much. So the swords is going to cost $100. So if leader stats points value is greater than 100, then if it's greater equal than 100, then it's going to give the sword and spend their money. So leader stats points value, take away the 100 cash. Alright, that's how it goes. So it takes away their cash, and then they give the item to them. So the sword stats of the value at the sword stats, and this sword value will be equals to true, and it's going the player owns the sword after spending their money for it, and then that's how it works. Now we're going to copy and paste this code and put it in the money sword too, and name some stuff. So sword, money sword, and then I'm going to say money sword. Money swords. Money sword or money swords? Hang on, what did I even name it? Swords? Stats? Swords. Whatever. Swords. Stats. Where is it? Money sword. Okay. So I name it money sword. Alright. Money sword value equals false. Then it costs 300. And they'll take away 300 if they have enough for it, and then money sword. Alright? And it's equals to true. Okay? So that's how it works. I'm also going to, after you do this code, just go to I'm going to get a free model of a sword. Swords. And I'm going to get the official by Roblox, the official sword by Roblox. And over here, why can't I move my mouse? Weird. I can't move my mouse. Okay. Okay, what's wrong? Okay, there we go. So I'm going to grab this classic sword, and then this is going to be the official sword. I'm just going to duplicate it. And then, yeah, fine, never mind. This is going to be the sword. That for the swords. And then I'm going to put the swords and serve storage. I'm gonna add this. And then sword model. And then, sword tool. So, then we grab the old sword model inside here. Now I'm going to add another sword. And then, no, don't press no. And then I'm going to add the image of money's texture. So, the money, I wonder why these are just copies of the thing. Bruh, what is this? Okay, I'm going to put this here. I don't care if the texture is ugly. I don't care because this is just a tutorial. And I'm gonna name this Money Sword. Alright, that's easy peasy. And then I can put it in the sword. So that's how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to add another value called the equipping the sword. So I'm gonna add these here and then name it, okay, equip. So wait, now I'm just going to do it from scratch instead of copy and paste this code again. Local equip sword equals instance dot new full value. Okay, and then full value. Oh wait, hang on. Full value. Oh, there we go. And then equip sword dot parent equals sword stats. And then I'm going to say equip sword dot name equals equip sword. And then I copy paste this code. And then name the sword money sword. And then here equip money sword. Oh, and then money and money. Alright, there we go. This is the code. Okay, so fine. So I'm going to say here if plur dot sorts. Wait, no, I don't need a dot here. So if the value, if they own the sword already, maybe they just want to equip the sword back. So else they're going to get their plur dot sword stats dot sword dot equip sword dot value equal true. Alright, cool. And then I'm going to add here comma. I'm gonna add the button. Alright, comma button, and then button dot text equals equipped. Okay, and then button dot parent dot button dot parent let me check dot money sword dot text equals money sword. Wait, no, equals yeah, whatever is going to. Okay, wait. It's going to go wherever. I'm going to just put here plur dot stats dot equip money sword. So we're going to set the value equip money sword dot value equals false. So that unequip the other item. So the swords equip money. Oh wait, equip money. Equip money. I didn't say equip money sword here. I didn't equip money. That's all I said. You can name it whatever you want based on the name of the sword if you want. The name of the stats isn't really that necessary as long as you script it correctly. Well, if you don't understand these script, you have to watch beginner script before you do these stuff. Because yeah, I also do the same mistake that okay. Let's just keep going. So it's going to change the text equals to equipped. So the player know it's equipped. Or if I could, yeah, this is how it will go. And that's pretty much the code. Okay, now I'm gonna do it in here. Right? Now I'm just going to copy paste this. Copy paste this. And then do that. And then comma button. And yeah. Okay, so this is sword. Okay, so this part, I'm gonna make it sword. And this one, and there we go. And then one dot forever. Okay, that's how it will go. Alright. Now I'm going to add a local script in both of these buttons. And then script.parent.mousebutton one click connect function. And then I'm going to say game dot replicate storage dot swords dot money sword, because am I editing? Oh no, wait, I'm editing the swords button, so I'm gonna say dot swords invoke server, and then I say script. Okay. All right, and I'm gonna copy paste this in the other script. Wait, first, hang on. I'm going to copy paste this code and then put that there. Alright, so I paste the script here. Now I'm going to. So we got our. Alright, so we're just going to test if the. Wait, I forgot about something. I'm going to add a text button so it could open the frame, so it could open the shop GUI. So I'm going to name this button, let's see, sword shop. And then put a local script and say script.parent mouse button, click connect function, and then script.parent.frame.physical equals true. Alright, so if I play the game, I forgot to make an X button so it could close the GUI. We're going to make that real quick. So, I'm going to test by, let's see, search stats is not a valid member of player. So, what have we done here? Sword stats is not a member, is not a valid member of player. So, what did I do here? Sword's value, oh wait, no. Oopsie daisy, hang on. I made a mistake here. So, I'm going to name the script here, sword stats, okay? So I just named the folder something else than the swords, yeah. And if you don't know what error I just made, then maybe Yeah. You can't. Also, these errors are just. Yeah, I don't know. Right. What another? Is there another issue with flying the? It didn't let us go. Oh wait, we did. It's because we don't have enough cash. I just forgot about it. Hang on. Let me just go to the server and go to the player and go to the leader stats, dot points, and change the value to a random number, and then do we equip it? Swords is not a member of swords is not a member valid of folder. Really? Swords is not a valid member of folder. Did I name the thing again? Swords. Swords is not a member valid of player. Good. So it's not. No, it's not a valid member of this folder. Sword stats. So oh my gosh. Did I accidentally did something? Really? Where? I don't see anything. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Did I forgot something? No, that looks like it's false. Swords. It's in the local script, so it's not swords. Swords is not a member valid of folder. Are they talking about the remote event? Weird. Well, I don't know what's invalid. So I name it swords, okay? And it's in the swords stats folder. Why didn't it work? Is it because I'm using a remote function? Duh, it works. It works when I did the monster shop when helping my friend. It didn't work for the sword shop. Weird. So the 8. Let's see. At line 2 here, right? It's not a valid member of folder. I'm going to so it's not a valid member of folder. What? It is. Is it because I'm in a local script? Or is it because Alright, we're going to fix this error in the part 3. I'll see you in the part 3 video. Bye.